Hi, my name is Mualla and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about a couple of things. The first one, how to add menu item to one page. And then we will talk about adding one item to bar itself. Third one is changing page title. And the last thing, how to get rid of page bar completely. Are you ready? Let's go. First, I want to create a new project. So from File menu, I click on New. From here, I can click on Default, but it's better to click on B4Xpages project. As you see here, I have only one page, a default page. Its name is B4X main page, and I have one layout for it by default. And that layout has one button, which is here. Now I'm going to add another page and another layout for it. So let's add another page class from project menu. And let's name it page2_C. Our new page class has been added. And now we need one layout for it. So let's create that from designer menu. Let's create another layout by pressing Ctrl N. And we can put one label on this layout to show the name of this page. I'm going to save this layout and name it page 2 layout. Now I can load my layout this way. root.load layout, between parentheses, the name of the layout we just created. Now I'm going to go to previous page and write some code to show page 2. Inside button 1, we are showing a message box. So I want to remove that and show page 2 instead. To show page 2 from this page, I need to add 4 lines of code. First, I need to define page 2 as a class variable. Then I need to initialize that. And then I can add that to B4Xpages. While adding, I need one ID for page 2. So I name it page 2, and the second parameter is its variable we just initialized. Now everything is ready, and inside button 1, I can show page 2. And as you see, I use the same ID. And now I'm going to run the application. As you see, it is working, and by pressing this button, I can go to second page, and by pressing that arrow, I can go to previous page. The other option is to press back button. So far, we haven't done anything special compared to previous tutorial, and we just reviewed what we learned so far. Okay, our next step, adding some menu items to page 2. We can do it by this command, B4Xpages.add menu item. You need to pass two parameters. The first one is object. You can pass me. The second one is item title. So as you see, I added two menu items. Now let's see what happens if my user clicks on one of them. To have it, we need another sub. Let's create that. The name of the event needs to be B4Xpage. And as you see, you have only tag here inside this event. Let's log it and run the application. As you see, two items are added, and when I click on one of them, I can get item title. So tag is item title here. So as you may guess, you can handle it easily by if statement. Now I want to add one item to bar itself, not to menu list. How to do it? Let's see. To do it, while initializing the menu item, you can store that inside B4A menu item variable. B4A menu item has one method, its name is add to bar. If you make it true, you can add it to bar itself. Let's see the result. Very good. This time menu item has been added to bar itself. What about if you want to add one image to this item instead of text? First, we need to add one image to File Manager, then we want to load that. Okay? B4A menu item has one method, its name is bitmap. By that one, you can define your image. To load the image, you can use xui.load_bitmap_resize. By using load bitmap resize, you can load while loading, you can resize the image. It has a couple of parameters. The first one is image address. The second one is image name. The third and fourth one are the dimensions. For the dimension here, I suggest 64 DIP. And the last parameter is about keeping the dimension ratio. So you can make it true. Okay, it seems that everything is ready. We can run the application. Very good. As you see, my picture is added here, and I can use it as one menu item. What about if you want to change the title here? How to do it? You can easily do it by B4Xpages.setTitle. It needs two parameters. The first one you can pass me, and the second one is page title. For the first parameter, we always pass me. But as you may guess, you can pass another page here. What does it mean? It means that easily you can set the title of another page. You can set the menu item of another page. This is a very nice point about using pages B4Xpages. Later in other tutorials, we will talk about it. And finally, the last thing that I want to tell you is how to get rid of bar totally. To do it, you need to go to main activity. Inside activity attributes, you can make include title false. This way you can get rid of that bar completely. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe in my channel and do not forget to hit that like button.